Ready to take your customer communication to the next level with your very own Retell Ai phone number? First, head over to Retell Ai in your web browser. Once you are on the homepage, you'll want to either create an account or log into your existing account if you don't have one. If you are creating an account, follow the sign up process. Once logged in, you should see your dashboard. Look for the section related to phone numbers or the Get a Number option, often found in the navigation or within the account settings. Click on it to begin the number acquisition process. You will likely be prompted to select your country. After selecting your country, you will then be given options on a screen to select the area code you wish to have for your new phone number. Ensure you select the area code that benefits the needs of your business the most. Next, browse through the listed numbers. Most platforms allow you to either have Retell Ai assign a number for you, or choose a specific number. Choose the number that best suits your needs. Some platforms even allow you to search for numbers with specific digits. Now comes the payment. Retell Ai uses secure payment gateways. Select your preferred payment method, input your payment details accurately, and follow the instructions to complete the purchase. After successful payment, your new Retell Ai phone number is now active. You should receive a confirmation and may be able to configure how to use the number. The number can be used right away for calls and messaging. With your new number, you are set to start your customer outreach immediately. Be sure to configure your settings. Congratulations! You are now ready to begin communicating professionally. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. #BuyANUMBR #Retell phone number.